Your favorite pumpkin waffles. Y'all, I'm bringing fall to you just a little bit early this year. Anyways, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like these kind of recipes. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I have got here about 1.5 cups of flour, and I'm going to add some dry ingredients to that. So I've got here about 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I've got 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice. Smells so good. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna whisk that until it is all combined. And we're gonna set that to the side, grab another bowl, and we're gonna put our wet ingredients in here. So I've got 2 eggs. Use the same whisk here, and I'm just gonna whisk that together. And to those eggs, I'm gonna add some melted butter that I've melted and cooled slightly. You don't want them to be too hot because you don't want to cook your eggs. Gonna go ahead and add 1/4 cup of milk. Oh, and that was, sorry. I'm adding 3/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of butter. I'm also going to add my brown sugar to this mixture to sweeten it up. I'm also gonna add some actual maple syrup. You don't just put it on your pancakes, you can put it in the batter. When measuring maple syrup in a measuring cup, you can go ahead and spray that just a little bit so that with oil, so the maple syrup kind of slides off. Go ahead and give that a little bit of a mix. And you can add your pumpkin to this as well. This is 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree from a can. And then we're gonna add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. Just go ahead, and I like to make a little well in the middle and slowly kind of pour it in. You don't want to overmix it, just mix it enough to where you kind of get rid of that flour. Your batter should be this consistency. All right, so I'm gonna set this to the side while I heat up my waffle iron. That allows the batter to kind of rest, so that way your waffles are absolutely perfect. All right, so I've got here a waffle iron. And we're gonna go ahead and plug that in. All right, so I've gone ahead and preheated my waffle iron. My waffle iron turns green whenever it is ready to go. It is nice and hot. You wanna make sure your waffle iron is hot before you start doing this. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and spray the inside of my waffle iron with a little bit of spray that I have in this oil bottle. I'm also making a mess, but whatever. All right, and I've got one of these little scooper things here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just pour my waffle mixture in my waffle iron. Try to get it to kind of go over. Oops, mine started cooking. Go ahead and shut that and let your waffle iron do its work. All right, so our light has just gone off, and I'm gonna go ahead and open my waffle maker. And voila, I made a mess. So obviously I put too much batter in my waffle maker, which is cool because, well, cool. It's fine because this part is in the sides, but it's still cooked. And you might wanna use tongs to get your waffles out. I'm just using my hands because obviously I'm Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish cooking these batches. And the beautiful thing about these waffles is that you can make them ahead, you can freeze them, and then you can grab them whenever you need to for a quick breakfast in the mornings. And I've got more information about how to do that in the blog post that is linked below. Alrighty, so there we got it. Some delicious, beautiful pumpkin pancakes. Now, I like to have my pancakes with a bunch of syrup drizzled all over it. Grab me a fork. Break into these things. There you have it. Pumpkin pancakes that taste just like fall. Yum, yum, yum. All right, until the next time. Bye.